Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve sound issues on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your settings. This is where you'll find all the audio controls and system settings that might be affecting your phone's sound output. Once you're in settings, tap on sounds and vibrations. This section houses all the volume controls for different types of audio on your device, so it's the first place you'll want to check when experiencing sound problems. Here you'll see several volume options including media volume, call volume, ring volume, notification volume, alarm volume, and assistant volume. Take a moment to check each one and make sure the slider under each isn't muted or set too low. Simply adjust each slider to the right to increase the volume levels. This is crucial because sometimes one specific volume type might be turned down, while others work fine, which can make it seem like your phone has inconsistent sound issues. After adjusting all the volume sliders, go back to the main settings menu. Now tap on Modes. This feature controls various sound profiles on your Pixel, including the Do Not Disturb setting, which can silence your phone completely. Inside Modes, tap on Do Not Disturb. Now make sure that Do Not Disturb is turned off. This is really important because when this feature is active, it blocks most sounds and vibrations, which could be the entire reason you're not hearing anything from your phone. If you see it's turned on, simply toggle it off to restore normal sound functionality. Next, go back to the main settings menu again and tap on System. This section contains deeper system-level options that can affect how your apps and sounds behave. Scroll down until you see Reset options and tap on it. Here you'll find various reset functions that can help resolve software-related issues without erasing your personal data. Now tap on Reset App Preferences. This option is particularly useful because it resets all preferences for disabled apps, notification settings, and permission restrictions back to their defaults, which can often fix sound problems caused by conflicting app settings. Finally, tap Reset Apps to confirm the action. Your phone will take a moment to reset all app preferences. This won't delete any of your apps or personal data, but it will restore default settings that might have been causing your sound issues. And that's it. You've now addressed the most common causes of sound problems on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.